So today is Tuner Evolution. It's some car show that I wasn't planning on going to, but I am now. Matt with the 500 horsepower Miata is gonna be there. All my friends are gonna be there. We're actually bringing both Molly and the Rally Miata. That is if my friend didn't sleep past his alarm, which I think he did because he's not here. But yeah, I haven't been to a car show in a really long time. I'm excited to go, look at some cool cars, and hopefully meet a lot of you guys. That's pretty much it. Let's get on the road. Brody actually woke up, so that's good. Pasha also actually woke up, so that's also good. Brody doesn't have windshield wipers in the Rally Miata, so he's gonna have fun with that. You know what would be really sad is if he rear-ended me in both my cars because he didn't have windshield wipers and couldn't see. The Rally Miata is so quiet I can't even hear if it's running or not. I think it is. I hear the lifter tick. Oh, also the headlights on that car don't work either.
Hey!
Yeah! Whoops! That's so cool. Brody in the Rally Miata behind us just called us. The charge light's on. Might have just blown an alternator. We're gonna go pull over back here. It looks like the belt's fine. It's plenty tensions.
Is it?
Yeah. Try driving until it dies, or
the further we get, the harder it's gonna get.
Get back. True. We're thinking the alternator's dead. It kind of sucks. If we had a multimeter, we could test it, but we don't.
Basically, it's not recharging anything, right?
Well, we don't know what's happening. The charge light's just on. It might just be a charge light on.
Yeah.
Or it could actually be a... We could send it and try to drive it, or we could leave it here and have someone drive us. Stopping at an AutoZone to get a multimeter to test and see what's broken. If something is actually broken, we'll just leave it here.
Rip.
Rip, rip, rip.
I'll have Brody on my lap.
We could fit one more person in here, but we could not fit 2 more people in here. Unless someone wants to go in the trunk.
Challenge accepted. AutoZone gang, let's go. Camera crew out here. Yeah, boy.
We were buying a new battery because AutoZone said our current battery's bad. So hope that fixes the issue.
Pull the lever, bro. I did. Wrong lever.
That's this supposedly dead battery out of here.
Why does Illinois get so cold?
It's not that cold, Pasha.
Russia, it gets cold as shit. Yeah, but I got comfortable here, you know? Got comfortable? Where did you live before Illinois? California? No. Well, okay. Yeah. It gets warm in the summer, and I like summer. And now it's cold for me. I don't like cold.
God damn it! I just wasted 150 bucks.
Rip. Rip.
Well, you can probably make it home with the charge that his battery has, you'd think, right?
You'd think.
Well, that was the biggest waste of time and money.
On your end.
Yeah, on my end. Drove 45 minutes to replace a battery that wasn't bad. Well, we don't know. It probably wasn't bad. It was fine, all right? So now we are going to go back to Tuner Evo with the truck and the Miata this time. So I'm assuming the alternator is bad because of all the coolant that was poured over it when there was that coolant leak. It just kind of stinks that it broke now instead of, you know, when I was daily driving it for like a week. Everyone's already there having fun and we're stuck here dealing with this.
It's not a day.
That was the most pathetic
day. It's not an adventure unless something goes wrong, okay?
Well, we got here. It's not raining. Turn off those. And there's just a huge line of traffic. It's all my fault.
And everyone's saying, man,
I built an unreliable lifted Miata.
There is so many people. We're not getting in for like an hour at least.
I have to pee.
Yeah, me too. Coffee gang.
It'd be really embarrassing if I stalled it. I'm not going to. Should I like purposely stall it? No. It's kind of tempting.
Do it. 2-step.
Oh, dang it. I didn't even stall it.
I've been watching your shit forever.
Awesome.
I've never seen the Miata.
Yeah, we'll be in it at some point.
Hell yeah, man. He left me hanging. Oh god. You give me a bump. Give me a bump. Okay. Don't put that in the video. That's crazy. I was like, give me a bump and he left.
Miata.
Oh, look, not bad. Yeah.
Hey, we're here.
ITB's.
Look at that little baby thing. beams. So much cool stuff here.
Dang, this is a nice I love that color.
Oh yeah, that's an awesome color.
I gotta.
Woo! That's so awesome. I love the cars here that are actually built to do stuff. Yeah, this is awesome. I want this. It's Nardo Gray too. Hey, do you remember what was Nardo Gray?
Nardo Gray is
such a good color.
Oh, it's right-hand drive. Yeah.
Oh man, that's so awesome. Yeah, that's how you properly flock a dash. No, I bet you that's actually wrapped. Yeah, that's suede. That's pretty sick.
Yeah.
I like the works. Look, it's an R33. That's cool. I don't think I've ever seen an R33. Interesting. That's cool. They're a lot rounder than the other ones. Very roundy. Lots of low cars, lots of cool cars. Pretty cool, right? Yeah, cool little SUV. Nice seats. Oh, paddle shifters, that's cool. Oh wait, wait, what? It's an LS. Oh, it's a boosted LS. Woo! Big boy. They took off the hardtop too, that's cool. First place we come to at the show is the concessions, because we're hungry.
We're badasses.
Yeah.
Well, to be honest, we didn't have any food.
Right, and we were stuck driving around fixing a broken lifted Miata.
We out here. I'm not using this. No? No. We're in the line for TJ Hunt right now. I'm gonna give a shout out to Gingium. Do a backflip. Woo! Sick, bro. There's your coffee. Thank you, man.
Oh, so high.
I thought I was in line for TJ Hunt. I was gonna get a shout out to Gingium from TJ Hunt, but what's up, man? How's it going?
Vlogging right now?
I'm vlogging for Gingium. Have you heard of the Gingium channel?
Yeah, he has the Miata.
Yes.
Miata, yeah.
Yes. How do you like Chicago in general?
I love Chicago. I wish I had more time here to like actually go see stuff, but we're only here for a couple
hand
days.
is shaking.
I got you, bro.
Yeah, there you go.
Steady, muscular
There you go.
hands.
Oh my god, really?
Try.
I've been trying to hit the gym, but don't have time.
All right, well, since you're in my booth, are we taking a pic?
Sure. Let's do it. Those people are like famous or whatever, and I'm like here, hey, I don't know. Oh well. Hey, how's it going? That was the girl I was trying to go out with. Anyway, we're going back to Gingium. We're not meeting TJ.
Gingium here.
Oh my god. Oh, Audrey, what are you doing here?
Hi.
So Pasha just went and talked to Dustin. How's that?
It's pretty cool.
Cool. I would go say hi to TJ and them, but the line's like 2 hours long.
Caleb
so.
is bigger than Dustin Williams. Caleb's channel is bigger.
It's true, and I don't have a meet and greet. Oh well. It's kind of like walking around looking at all these crazy builds. The thing is that it's really hard to actually... Oh, nice. That's cool. I was talking to Matt a lot about his car. It's crazy how many little things go into like these crazy builds. It's insane how much detail there is in some of these cars. And you probably can't hear me because the stupid music's so loud. I'm totally losing my voice. I can't talk at all. But we're gonna go outside because there's some cars outside that we're gonna check out. So let's go outside. Teardrop. So sick. Look at that. It's insane. I really love this FD because it's like super clean and super stock. Like clean original interior. Shut up, no one cares. I love like super clean simple cars like this. This is my thing. I don't really like stand out bag stuff, which is like 90% of these cars, but That's alright. It's so nice and quiet outside. Like you can talk on normal volume. It's so awesome. No. Is that? Oh.
Burning some.
That's not right. Oh God. Oh.
Yo.
Is that a lawnmower I smell? Nice little Toyota mini truck. A lot of people want to use E-Swap these actually. It's a much more popular truck than a B series.
What's the name of it?
It's a Toyota.
Well, yeah, but
It's a Toyota Hilux. It says it right here.
they have like the truck.
Hard body, Nissan?
Hard body.
Yeah, no, it's not that. Yes, 13B. It's crazy because like you don't really see that many modified cars around Chicago, but all these cars are really freaking awesome. Ooh, look, Audrey, this is what you want.
Confirmed.
It's a Mazda 6, speed 3 something. That's pretty sick. Galant VR4. I've never seen one in person. That's really cool.
I want one of these so bad.
This is sick.
They're beautiful.
It's really beautiful.
Imagination, this is your creation.
What's going on? Let's go party. Come on, Ren. Oh my gosh.
That guy looks so pissed.
And we're back at the shop. Oh, look at that nice broken money pit right there. That thing's sick, dude.
Well, I really liked the show. I've never been to like the high-end show like this, and I did see a lot of clean cars, which was really nice.
I don't necessarily love car shows for like the cars. I like more just hanging out with people and like talking to fans and stuff. I'm not a huge fan of show cars because most of them are
cars, you mean?
Well, yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
both.
right. Most, well, not most, but some show cars are just like stancy, and I don't like that. I like cars that are actually fast and cool, like Matt's car. But yeah, what's a better way to end off the night than going to Pasha's apartment and playing Fortnite?
No, it's not going to necessarily do it for you. And some modern ones will if you use cruise control. They'll start to actually use even brake.
Hell yeah. Midnight snack at Steak and Shake. Woo! Oh, there's a lot of people here. Damn it.
Very nice.
Yo, guys, look, they got the adventure bus at Walmart, dude. Pasha's roommate clogged the toilet, so we had to go to Walmart and get a plunger in the middle of the night. I had a ton of fun at Tuner Evolution and just hanging out with... Stop! Get out of here, please, go. No, not out of the car, out of the... What the fuck is wrong with Pasha? Oh my god, did that just...
You told me to get out. I did.
You did get out of the car, you're right. Yeah, I had a blast today, it was awesome. So, thank you to everyone who came out to Tuner Evolution and said hi. Next year, I definitely want to get one of my cars in a car show. I think it would be really fun. I think that's it. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a like. I know I don't do vlogs very often, but I do enjoy doing them.
Tell him to do more.
Yes, I gotta do more.
Why am I
If
yelling?
you enjoyed the video, like it. If you didn't enjoy the video, dislike it. Subscribe if you guys are new. And I'll see you next time. So peace out. Bye-bye. Oh, do you have anything to say, Pasha?
Oh wow.
Oh,
You
wow.
finished the video and then...
No, I didn't touch the screen. It did not finish.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.